How to make your girlfriend obsessed with you. 20 expert tips. Hey there, lovebirds. Are you wondering how to make your girlfriend think about you all day, every day? Today, I'll be sharing 20 powerful and proven tips to make her absolutely obsessed with you in the healthiest and most loving way possible. This isn't about playing games. It's about deepening your connection and showing her you're the man of her dreams. Let's dive in. 1. Tell her she's beautiful, not hot or sexy. Words matter. Complimenting her beauty shows you see her as more than just her looks. It's her elegance, her vibe, and her soul. Save hot and sexy for casual flings. For your queen, always choose beautiful. 2. Hold her hand just because. A small gesture like holding hands can go a long way. It's a way of silently saying, I'm here for you. If she's ever feeling insecure, like when guys on the street try to grab her attention, holding her hand will reassure her that she's your one and only. 3. Leave her voice messages to wake up to. Surprise her once in a while with a sweet voice message. Sing her favorite song or just say, "Good morning, my love." Keep it special by not overdoing it. Once a month is enough to keep the magic alive. 4. Playfully wrestle with her and let her win. Whether it's a pillow fight or a playful wrestling match, let her have the upper hand. This creates fun, lighthearted moments that deepen your bond. 5. Hug her from behind. Unexpected back hugs are a winner. Whether she's cooking or folding laundry, sneaking up and wrapping your arms around her makes her feel cherished. 6. Avoid hanging out with your ex. This one's a no-brainer. Nothing kills trust faster than spending time with your ex. If you respect her feelings, you'll steer clear. 7. If you talk to another girl, reassure her afterward. After chatting with another woman, walk over to your girlfriend, kiss her, and let her know she's the only one for you. This small action speaks volumes about your loyalty. 8. Leave her notes or call just to say, "I love you." Unexpected love notes or a quick phone call to remind her how much she means to you will melt her heart every time. 9. Introduce her to your friends as your girlfriend. Publicly acknowledging her as your partner boosts her confidence in your relationship. Hearing you say, "This is my girlfriend," will make her feel valued and secure. 10. Play with her hair. There's something incredibly soothing about someone playing with your hair. Run your fingers through her hair while she's resting on your lap, and she'll feel completely at ease. 11th, pick her up even when she says no. Offer to drive her home or pick her up from work or school, even if she insists she's fine. It's a thoughtful gesture that shows you care about her safety. 12th, be protective but not controlling. If she gets unwanted attention from someone else, let her know you've got her back. Just don't overreact. It's about protecting her, not smothering her. 13, make her laugh. Humor is one of the easiest ways to brighten her day. Share funny stories, crack jokes, or just be silly together. Seeing her laugh will be worth it. 14th, let her fall asleep in your arms. There's no safer place for her than in your embrace. Let her drift off while you hold her. It's a simple yet powerful way to show love. 15, if she's mad, don't argue. Kiss her. When she's upset, stay calm and kiss her gently. It's a loving way to diffuse tension and show her you're on her side. 16, tell her you care. Never assume she knows how you feel. Always remind her how much you care. Otherwise, she might start doubting her place in your life. 17, surprise her with meaningful gifts. Every girl loves receiving thoughtful presents. Give her a teddy bear to hug, a piece of jewelry she'll treasure, and one of your shirts to wear to bed. These small gestures create lasting memories. 18, treat her the same in public as you do in private. Consistency is key. Whether you're with friends or alone, show her the same love and affection. 19. Lock eyes and smile. A deep, meaningful gaze combined with your best smile can speak volumes. It's simple, but trust me, it's magnetic. 20. Prioritize spending weekends together. Weekends are your time to reconnect and create memories. It shows her she's important to you, even in your busy schedule. And there you have it. 20 tips to make your girlfriend completely obsessed with you in the best way possible. Remember, love is about effort and consistency. Try these tips, and you'll see the difference in how deeply connected you both become. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship advice. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel